Hi, I'm Holcomb. If I told you that the universe was boring, none of you would probably hesitate to call me ignorant. However, if I said that the universe was extraordinary and awe-inspiring, you'd probably shrug your shoulders, say that's nice, and assume that I'm over-exaggerating. Truth is, my words don't give it justice. When considering all the galaxies, the stars in those galaxies, the sheer size of the universe, and all of the unknowns, words can't begin to describe how awesome the universe really is. As a child, I received weekly pages from the Discovery Channel that contained information on space, the planets, and the scientists that studied them. And I was always most impressed by those pages that contained pictures of the Milky Way. However, through my learning, I've become more impressed by the stats and the other characteristics of our Milky Way. Our galaxy is 100,000 light years wide and 3,000 light years deep. Comparatively, we have a big galaxy, but there's 125 billion other galaxies. Now, our one galaxy contains 100 billion stars. So to put that into perspective, if you multiplied the number of stars in our galaxy by the number of stars or by the number of other galaxies, you get a number roughly 1 septillion stars. With these overwhelming numbers, one could assume that the universe would be somewhat crowded, and that assumption would be wrong. To put it into perspective, the ratio from matter to space would be the same as a building with dimensions 20 miles long and 20 miles wide, and there was one speck of sand in the center. The only number more unbelievable than the number of stars is the size of the universe. It's been estimated that it is 150 billion light years wide. And to put that into perspective, 1 light year by definition is the distance that light travels in 1 calendar year. Light travels at 671 million miles per hour, meaning that it travels 6 trillion miles every year. So to think that in order to get from one end of the universe to the other, you would have to travel at 6 trillion miles every year for 150 billion years to reach the other side. So although there's so much matter in the universe, there is so much more space than there is in fact matter. And if that's not impressive enough, scientists have discovered that the universe is forever expanding, meaning that that number becomes more unbelievable all the time. While everything recorded about the universe is amazing, what's unknown about the universe can be even more so. The always controversial debate over extraterrestrial life has boggled even the world's best scientists even today, and has led them to go to other planets in search of water and other organisms. While there is no proof so far about this extraterrestrial life, the debate rages on. Also, the origins of our universe is still unknown, which brings religion into this debate in an argument away from either the Big Bang or creation. Also, another aspect of the universe is black holes. While not much is known about black holes, the gravitational pull is so great that light can't even escape it. But what's unknown is what's on the other side. And it's been alleged that parallel universes could lie on the other side, or even other universes could lie on the other side. So, to think that there could be other universes, or infinitely more universes, is unfathomable. With so many incredible features, the question is no longer, is the universe incredible, but rather, why are we not amazed by it? The only explanation now to not be amazed by the universe is ignorance. Given only these few features, it's nearly impossible not to be blown away. And in the words of American astronomer Dr. Carl Sagan, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Thank you.
You have to do the sides.
No.
You said verbally.